This animation shows exactly what is going on when you sit. Without BackJoy core, your pelvis falls backward, creating the C-shaped slouch. Muscles that are supposed to hold your back erect are flattened and useless under your body weight. Your bottom spreads, nerves can be pinched, and circulation may be cut off. Now, scooch into a BackJoy and everything changes. It automatically flexes, tipping your pelvis and spine into a natural, supportive posture. The back orthotically aligns in comfort. It holds you there in a natural, pressure-relieving cradle of comfort. This unique position triggers your core muscles. For the first time, you will actually feel them engaged while you sit. Your body can work the way it's supposed to work. BackJoy won't cure back problems, but it will relieve the pressure and strains that aggravate your back pain when you sit. It promises to keep you more comfortable, make you more flexible, and reduce aggravation.